Have you ever wondered how to make your heart feel happy? Well, it turns out there are some simple things you can do to boost your happiness level. First, let's talk about the power of gratitude. Taking a moment each day to reflect on what you are grateful for can actually make your heart feel happier. It could be something as simple as appreciating a sunny day or being thankful for the people in your life. Next, consider doing something kind for others. Acts of kindness not only make the recipient feel good, but they also have a positive effect on the person doing the kind deed. Whether it's helping a friend, volunteering in your community, or simply giving someone a compliment, spreading kindness can bring joy to your heart. Another way to make your heart feel happy is through self-care. Taking care of yourself physically and mentally is essential for happiness. Make sure you are getting enough rest, eating nutritious food, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, or indulging in a favorite hobby, taking time for yourself can bring happiness to your heart. Connecting with loved ones is also important for a happy heart. Spending quality time with family and friends can bring joy and fulfillment. Whether it's having a meaningful conversation, going on an adventure together, or simply sharing a meal, nurturing these connections can make your heart feel happy. Lastly, don't forget to find joy in the simple things. Taking pleasure in everyday moments, like savoring a delicious meal or enjoying a beautiful sunset, can bring happiness to your heart. In conclusion, there are many ways to make your heart feel happy. From practicing gratitude to performing acts of kindness, taking care of yourself, connecting with loved ones, and finding joy in the simple things, these simple actions can have a big impact on your happiness level. So, go ahead and make your heart happy. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.